Welcome to Holistic Wellbeing through Sujok Therapy. Today, we'll focus on relieving indigestion, belching, and nausea using natural, effective techniques. Stay tuned to the end for tips to enhance your practice. Let's begin with the stomach points. These are the stomach regions according to standard correspondence, an insect system on both hands. Give a good massage on all zones. Sometimes patient starts feeling some relief with massage only. My patient had a burp while doing this. This is very good point to stimulate, as it is end of esophagus. Find a painful point. Painful point is a point where you feel sharp pain. I have marked esophagus, that is middle line on second phalange of index finger. Apply apple seeds gently to this region using tape. Place the seeds pointy part up towards nail in line. These seeds stimulate the point and help relax your esophagus. Apply apple seed on stomach as well. This helps reduce stomach discomfort and promotes better digestion. The large intestine meridian runs along the outer edge of the hand. For better digestion and relief from nausea, apply a chain of moon seeds along this meridian and secure them with tape. Leave the seeds taped for 6 to 8 hours. Press the seeds gently every hour to activate the points. To make these techniques more effective, stay hydrated. Eat light meals to avoid overloading your digestive system. Practice meditation to reduce stress, which often triggers digestive issues. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural healing techniques. Wishing you health and harmony.